Introducing OCR, or optical character recognition. This groundbreaking technology is revolutionizing the way we handle handwritten notes and documents. Imagine having a super smart assistant who can read your handwriting effortlessly. That's exactly what OCR does for you. It can magically transform your handwritten notes into digital text, ready to be edited, searched, and shared with ease. No more squinting at your scribbles or trying to remember what you wrote weeks ago. Remember those old scanners that just gave you a picture of a document? They were useful, but limited. OCR takes it to a whole new level. It doesn't just capture an image, it understands and interprets the text. It doesn't just see lines and curves. It recognizes letters, words, and even entire sentences. Imagine the possibilities. You can convert entire notebooks into searchable, editable digital files. No more deciphering your own handwriting weeks later. OCR makes your notes clear and accessible. No more tedious retyping of meeting notes. With OCR, you can focus on what really matters, your ideas and productivity. OCR is here to streamline your workflow and bring your handwritten notes into the digital age. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to jot down thoughts, OCR can make your life easier and more organized. Ready to experience the magic of OCR? Optical character recognition, or OCR, is a game changer for anyone looking to digitize their handwritten notes. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Transforming your handwritten notes into digital text has never been easier. Step 1. Choose your weapon. Select an OCR app or software that suits your needs. Whether you prefer using your smartphone or your computer, there are plenty of options available. Both free and paid, for your computer or smartphone. Some popular choices include Adobe Scan, Microsoft OneNote, and Google Keep. Step 2. Snap a pic. Use your phone or scanner to capture a clear image of your handwritten notes. Make sure the entire page is in focus and well lit. Good lighting is key here, folks. Natural light works best, but a well-placed lamp can do wonders too. Avoid shadows and glare for the best results. Step 3. Let OCR work its magic. Upload the image to your chosen OCR tool and watch as it transforms your handwriting into editable text. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Step 4. Proofread and polish. OCR is pretty amazing, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the software might misinterpret certain characters or words. Take a moment to double-check for any errors and make corrections as needed. This ensures that your digital notes are accurate and ready for use. Happy digitizing! Let's say you attended a brainstorming session for a new science project. You diligently filled pages of your notebook with ideas, diagrams, and action items. But now, you need to share these brilliant thoughts with your team. Instead of crowding around your notebook, you can use OCR to digitize those notes in a flash. Simply snap a photo of each page, process them with an OCR app, and voila! You now have a digital document that you can easily edit, organize, and share with your colleagues. No more transcribing, no more misunderstandings, just pure, streamlined collaboration. Section 5. Benefit number 1. Time saver. No more rewriting notes. Time is precious, my friends, and OCR is here to save you from wasting it on tedious tasks. Think about all those hours you've spent rewriting notes, just to have them in a digital format. With OCR, those days are over. Let the technology do the heavy lifting while you focus on what truly matters, bringing those brilliant ideas to life. Spend less time deciphering and more time creating, innovating, and making your mark on the world. Section 6. Benefit number 2. Bye-bye clutter. Hello, organized digital notes. Let's face it, handwritten notes can quickly turn into a chaotic mess. Notebooks pile up, loose papers go astray, and finding that one crucial piece of information feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, for OCR is here to bring order to your world. Digitizing your notes allows you to store them neatly in digital folders, tag them for easy retrieval, and access them from any device, anytime, anywhere. Imagine the peace of mind. Section 7. Benefit number 3, search and find. Your notes at your fingertips. Remember that amazing idea you jotted down weeks ago? The one you can't quite recall but know is buried somewhere in your mountain of notebooks? Good luck finding that without spending hours sifting through pages. But with digital notes, finding information is a breeze. Simply type in a keyword and voila! Your digital notebook becomes a treasure map, leading you straight to the information you seek. It's like having a superpower. Section 8. Share the joy. Spread the word about digital notes. Once you've experienced the life-changing magic of digital notes, don't keep it to yourself. Share the joy with friends, family, and colleagues. Spread the word about this game-changing technology that can simplify lives and boost productivity. Imagine a world where everyone can easily access, share, and collaborate on ideas, regardless of where they were originally scribbled down. Let's make it happen, one digital note at a time. Section 9, your turn. Try it out and see the difference. So there you have it, folks. OCR technology is a game changer for anyone who takes notes, brainstorms ideas, or simply wants to declutter their lives. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself. Explore the world of OCR apps, experiment with different features, and discover how this technology can transform your workflow and unleash your productivity. It's time to free your ideas from the limitations of paper and embrace the future of note-taking. Now go forth and digitize.